So we live in a society which is so, talks so much about, oh, sex should be spontaneous, sex should just get swept away. I feel like that's a fairy tale that none of us really live in. Like anything else in your life, if you want something nice to happen, you gotta schedule it. Like when I'm having a really nice dinner, I shop, I chop, I cook, and I have I set the table. Like I have a nice dinner. I do not have spontaneous, lovely dinners. My sense is if you wanna have sex, you need to schedule sex. And especially when life gets busy and people are working. And that doesn't make the sex any less special because you guys have a date that you know that you have sex at a regular time. One of the things I've really noticed working with couples is that the couples who seem to have a really successful long-term sex life, whether they're aware of it or not, they are scheduling sex. Let's say they have sex twice a week, and I'll say, oh, tell me a little more about that, and they'll say, well, we always have sex once over the weekend, and usually Wednesday night or Thursday night because he works a little less. Like something is going on in their head. They might not be aware or call it scheduling, but they kind of have a schedule. Or there'll be couples that say to me, well, usually more than 2 or 3 days don't go by and we don't have, then we'll have sex. Again, that's completely sort of unintentional scheduling, but it's scheduling. I'm a very, very big believer in scheduling, especially when desire levels don't match up. If you can come up with a schedule of sex that works really well for both of you, or well enough for both of you, and keep that going, it just is tremendously, tremendously helpful.